The old typewriter sat in the corner of my late uncle's study, draped in a thick film of dust. I'd always felt uneasy in that room, but tonight, sorting through his belongings, I couldn't ignore the cold draft curling around my ankles. As I reached for a stack of yellowed papers, the typewriter's keys clacked, sharp and sudden. I froze. No one else was in the house. The carriage slid left, then right, pounding out a single word: leave. I staggered back, heart pounding wildly. The keys hammered again, faster, spitting out another page. My name, over and over, until the ribbon bled crimson. Pages fluttered upward, as if caught in a violent storm, circling me like vultures. Each sheet bore twisted threads. I see you. You're next. The typewriter rattled violently, lifting off the desk, hurling paper after paper at my face. I bolted for the door, but it slammed shut with a deafening bang. The typewriter's keys paused, then typed one final line: "You can't run." The lights flickered, plunging the room into suffocating darkness. The last thing I heard was the relentless tap of keys, spelling my fate in the black silence.